How to debug JavaScript performance bottlenecks. If you have ever felt your web application lagging or stuttering, you are not alone. Debugging JavaScript performance bottlenecks can be a game changer for your project. Let's break down how to tackle this issue effectively. First, grab your browser's developer tools. If you are using Google Chrome, the Performance Profiler is your best friend. This tool records a timeline of your application's runtime. It shows you JavaScript execution, layout recalculations, and rendering events. When you start recording, interact with your app to capture real usage patterns. Look for long tasks marked by red or yellow blocks in the timeline. These indicate inefficient code that slows down your app's responsiveness. Once you identify these tasks, dive into the call tree view. This will help you see which functions are consuming the most processing time. Focus on optimizing these heavy computations. Next, let's talk about breakpoints. You can use the debugger statement in your code to pause execution. This allows you to inspect variables and function calls step by step. It's a great way to isolate the problematic sections of your code. The console trace method is also handy. It shows you the sequence of function calls leading to a bottleneck. Now, pay attention to layout thrashing. This happens when JavaScript repeatedly reads and writes document object model properties. It causes costly reflows that block rendering. Minimizing these layout recalculations can significantly improve performance. Consider using tools like Lighthouse. This tool audits your JavaScript for slow or unused code. It can also highlight third-party libraries that may be affecting your speed. Running tests in incognito mode is smart. It ensures that browser extensions do not skew your results. When dealing with asynchronous JavaScript, think about breaking long-running tasks into smaller chunks. You can use techniques like request idle callback or web workers to keep the main thread responsive. This way, your application can handle tasks without freezing up. Lastly, simulate slower central processing unit or network conditions in your developer tools. This helps you test performance on less powerful devices. It ensures that your optimizations hold up in real-world scenarios. Debugging JavaScript performance bottlenecks involves using the Performance Profiler to identify long tasks. Set breakpoints and use debugger statements for detailed code inspection. Avoid layout thrashing by minimizing document object model reads and writes. Audit your code with Lighthouse to remove unused or slow scripts. Test under throttled central processing unit or network conditions to mimic real user environments. Optimize asynchronous code to prevent blocking the main thread. By mastering these techniques, you will significantly improve your web development skills.